message is being transmitted by the Cybersecurity Infrastructure Security Agency as a civil warning alert. This is not a test. In many homes, personnel that have a video game console named as the Nintendo Wii have been reported slowly melting and then exploding if one turns it on. We advise you that if you have any video game consoles or computers, do not turn them on, and unplug them from any power source. If you witness any computer or video game console burning or melting, get as far as possibly away from it, and do not try to turn it off for your safety of you and others. The following message is being transmitted by the Cybersecurity Infrastructure Security Agency as a civil danger alert. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. Many personnel in their homes have reported their video game console named the Nintendo Wii melting and exploding when one turns it on. As an update to this situation, there are reported 72 injuries and 3 deaths as of now. This can also affect computers, so unplug any computers from a power source. If you witness any computer melting or burning, get as far away as possible, and do not try to turn it off for your safety. The following message is being transmitted by the Cybersecurity Infrastructure Security Agency as a civil danger alert. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. This is an update on the computer melting situation. If you have any sort of electronic like a computer, video game console, or a television, throw them away immediately. Personnel have reported that electronics like a computer have reported melting and catching on fire without being plugged in. We do not know how this is possible. Following message is being transmitted by the Cybersecurity Infrastructure Security Agency as a civil danger alert. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. Continuing on the computer melting situation, many personnel have reported after discarding their computers, they are back in the same exact spot before the one discarded them. We are still investigating this situation, and if you happen to see anything suspicious, call 911 immediately and destroy the item, for your safety of you and others.
I hate this stupid TV, won't stop alerting me. Finally. For you, stupid Wii. What the hell? Has anyone seen this before? It's melting. Its bottom feet are melting. Hold on. Shouldn't move. Hopefully that rumor is fake. Gosh darn. I gotta put this back in here. What the hell? I just put it back in the drawer. Hold on, what the hell? I looked away for a second, and apparently it's back there. Put it in there. Hopefully no one's playing a prank on me. Alright, I gotta go to bed anyways. What the hell now? It just came back up. Alright. Anyone, this has to be a prank. Who is doing this? God, it's hot. Anyone please come out. I do not want to deal with this. I also have to smash this weed that I spent a lot of money on. 3, 2, 1. Last chance. Here goes nothing. God damn, I'm done with this stupid movie. I'll just tell what the cybersecurity infrastructure, whatever, told me to do. Hello, 911? Alright, so, I destroyed my TV and my game console because they were going back in the original spots before I placed them in a different spot. So, I just like to say that I destroyed them, and I'd like you to come over here immediately for my safety. Yep. Alright, my address is... Love. Oh. What the fuck? Oh. Dude. What the hell? I don't feel good.
We will take over. It's ours. The human race is insignificant. You fell for this lie, and it looks like it was a bad one. If you have any sort of electronic, you're already dead. There's no escape. 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 If you are the lucky one still surviving, say your final goodbyes to your family and friends. You currently have 10 minutes. If you hear from the rumor, we will self-destruct. It is time that we wipe out humanity from the face of the earth. There's no escape. There's no escape. There's no escape. There's no escape. There's no escape.
Hello everybody, welcome to John News. Today is a mysterious but a sunny fall day as NASA has found a giant metal cube in space with their James Webb Telescope, Hubble Space Telescope, and others. As of the moment, we have no information on this, but we should be getting information very soon.
The following message is being transmitted by the National Aeronautics and Space Administration as a shelter-in-place warning. This is not a test. A giant metal cube has been spotted by our telescopes in space. We have been seeing it move around 700 kilometers per hour. We have also reported that this cube is starting to flash a massive light. We do not know what is happening, but this cube is visible from Earth. Do not panic. Close all windows and blinds, and do not look at this light as it may blind you.
Hello everybody, welcome to John News. After an update to the Space Cube situation, which we will call it Cube 234, many have reported seeing a light appearing for a few hours, but now the light is disappearing. The cube is also starting to fade out, but
The following message is being transmitted by the National Aeronautics and Space Administration as a National Information Center. This is not a test. Continuing on the Cube 234 situation, we have reported that the giant cube's light has started to disappear and fade out. After a couple minutes, an even bigger cube has appeared instantly that is 10 times as big as the other cube. This cube has started to become like a black hole, as it is starting to suck in our satellites, telescopes, probes, and others. Do not panic. We do not know what is happening, but it appears it won't kill our Earth. The following message is being transmitted by the United Nations. This is not a test. After a new metal cube that is 10x bigger has appeared, many citizens around the world are panic buying many supplies like food, water, and toiletries. This is highly illegal, and stores are starting to put limits on these supplies. Please only buy limited amounts of canned food, water, and toiletries to conserve supplies for others. Repeat. This is highly illegal, and stores are starting to put limits on these supplies. Please only buy limited amounts of canned food, water, and toiletries. The following message is being transmitted by the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. Our spacecraft is almost eradicated. Communication has almost ceased, but this is our last alert until the EAS will be gone forever. The cube has dispensed these creatures called the Borg, and they are unbearably strong. Our military and following of others have been weakened and almost destroyed by these creatures due to their technology. All governments have collapsed, And before you are on your own, we will play the national anthem one more time, as well as sending nukes.
Hello everyone, welcome to John News. Food shortages around the world caused the stock market to start crashing down. We do not currently know why, as this situation is confusing scientists by the
Following message is being transmitted by the United States government as a shelter-in-place warning. This is not a test. This is not a test. The following counties in your area affected include Grant, Allen, Butler, Clay, Jefferson. These areas are advised to stay inside and block all openings to your house. People in these areas have started to incite riots due to the stock market crashing. Repeat, these areas are advised to stay inside and block all openings to your house. People in these areas have started to incite riots due to the stock market crashing.
I'm making a call to here because there's something terribly wrong going on with the ozone layer. There's fucking holes in the ozone. I can't tell if there's an error in our systems or if this is true. We need to schedule a meeting immediately because this is a huge problem in our hands.
Hello everyone, welcome to John News. Local Kansas riots have finally ended from police stopping the situation. We have gotten more information from the scientists as they have made a shocking discovery.
We have just gotten more information on the ozone layer situation, which we will call Ozone 341. Using our satellites, we have found a flying object in space that isn't visible with the naked eye. This flying object releases a gas called CFC, which damages the ozone layer. We have created a plan called Operation Ozone, which we will send a space aircraft to destroy this flying object. If the mission is successful, we will place a shelter-in-place warning from possible debris of this space aircraft. Regular broadcasting will now be starting.
Hello everyone, welcome to John News. NASA has successfully completed Operation Ozone, as this invisible aircraft is destroyed. We can now sigh in relief, as the ozone layer.
Meteor strike is imminent. This is not a test. Meteor strike is imminent. Get in shelter immediately. Get in shelter immediately. Meteor showers followed by a meteor as big as a suburb have been spotted and are heading for Earth. Grab the necessary food, shelter, water, toiletries, and first aid supplies. A mysterious force that damaged our ozone layer has sent meteors down toward Earth. Many people saw a hijacking a couple of hours ago from this mysterious force, and said doomsday was coming. Please do not panic, stay resilient and quiet, and stay prepared for the future of you and others.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the New York Police Department. This is not a test. This is not a test. In your local area where the recent meteor struck, these meteors have started to crack open and release many creatures from an unknown origin. These creatures have reported many mutated arms, legs, and body parts. They are about 10 feet tall and rip apart anything they see. Your local police and National Guard have been dispatched to counter these creatures. More information will be broadcasted shortly.
Holy shit, it's like they want us to die in the most gruesome way. They're ripping us into hundreds of pieces. There's too many. God, please help me.
I'd just like to say thank you for all you did, Mom, Dad. Sister, you got me through life like a piece of cake. But now it's over for us. I might as well see you on the other side. I don't got much to say before this world ends. Why did this happen?